morning.
Howdy doody.
And his brother's name was?
Dibble.
That's right.
I don't know if any of you old folks, you might remember, it's howdy doody time, da 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 da. Anyway, that's like before most of you were born. Back in the 50s.
Children now in bulk.
Back when life was good and gas was
Simple.
25 cents a
I
gallon.
remember that.
So anyway. So we're Brent and Amy Powell. We're big time realtors in Port Angeles. And
he's full of modesty too.
yeah, no, I mean, I was just thinking about everybody who makes statements that over the top about their business, and you always think, I don't think so. But anyway, we're just sort of middle of the road realtors.
We're normal people.
Yeah, we do a great job at
Oh.
what? Whoa!
Spider.
Yeah. Okay, take a hike, buddy.
No, don't push him towards me.
Okay.
The drama.
Okay. Sorry, you may want to give an advisory that no children should watch this. Can be violent on occasion. Yeah.
Oh.
And as you can see, we have rehearsed carefully. We got the spider trained to do that. But anyway.
Well, he was just dangling right up here.
Yeah. Pretty much what you see is what you get.
Anyway.
So
we're with Ideal Real Estate.
Yeah.
Which is all of the Keller Williams in town have become Ideal Realty. And good group, lots of people. We're going to have fun. We tell you what houses sold this week and maybe something about the market. Anyway.
Yeah, so anyway, that's in general, the market is still kind of trying to figure itself out, which has been the case for about a year now. Interest rates have dropped a little bit, and so there's a little more interest in buying. But there's still a lot of people who refi it at 2.5, 2.8%. And so that...
they don't want to give that up.
Yeah, that's like almost like free money anymore.
Yeah.
So the number of listings on the market is still constricted quite a bit, where normally this time of year we might in Port Angeles have 100, 150. Now we have 38 homes on the market of any...
Total.
Any type, that's goes
Price.
From a $100,000 shed to a $1 million home in 38. And in Sequim, they normally would have like 200 to 300 homes. They have 101 homes now in the market. So slim pickings, but
little better pickings in Sequim.
Yeah,
but Sequim. They know it.
But
so
average
prices
price,
are up.
Average price is higher. Quick overview is, if you've been watching us a while, this Sequim is a much newer community, and a lot of building in the last 20, 30 years, so a lot of newer homes. And the very nice acreage. They have a lot of acres on that little peninsula they're on. Port Angeles, we're an older community. It's not uncommon to have houses on the market here for, built in 1904, 1899, 1940, like the place we live in is built in 1948. So quite a few of those and not as many newer homes. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You want to be first?
Wait. Get a fuzzy or some. There it is. Fuzzy.
Yeah, we went garage selling this morning.
Treasures abound. Okay. Do you want to start? Do you want me to start?
I'll start. Okay. This is the one and only home in Port Angeles, and that's out of about 100 realtors. Closed last week.
Yeah, there's a lot of realtors twiddling thumbs
and
thinking of alternate occupation.
What else can we do? But these times come and go. It's always the way it is. Okay, this is on Gassman. This is east of town, outside of the city limits in the county, and originally priced for $425,000, sold at $399,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 136 days on the market. Once again, built 1900, and it has just a skosh under a full acre, with a territorial view.
All right, now we're moving on to Sequim. And as we read these off, notice everybody is under asking, except for this next one, which is a manufactured home on McFarland. Listed at $499, that's what it sold at. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 3 days on the market, built in 1996 with 1512 square feet on 2 3/4 acres with a mountain view.
Yeah, I still can't get a hold of $500,000 for a manufactured home. It's like,
It's the acres.
yeah. So we do get comments every now and then about how the prices up here are nuts, and we agree.
Yeah.
But what are you going to do about it? I mean, move to Arkansas, Tennessee, Texas. You're probably
You
going
have to put
get
up with mosquitoes.
and humidity,
tornadoes.
mosquitoes.
Ugh.
Okay.
It's been 56 this week. We had a 56-degree day
Yeah.
in January, so it's pretty nice here.
Yeah, pretty sweet. Okay, the next one is on Lobelia Drive. Originally priced at $550,000, sold for $528,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 36 days on the market. Built in 2016 with 1,661 square feet, and kind of a shoehorn lot there, 0.14 of an acre with a mountain view.
The third house in Sequim is on Hooker Road, listed originally for $749,000. It sold for $695,000. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 7 days on the market. Built in 1985 with 2,731 square feet. Acres. 2,731 square feet, 5.44 acres. Territorial view.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And I think this is from the Hooker family, is where that name comes from. It's actually a pretty nice neighborhood. Okay, and it's on a road that kind of goes up the mountains. Okay, this is on, look at this. Go forth.
And multiply?
Go forth, young man.
Are we going to have an episode of commenting on names?
Yeah, okay. Since there's only 6 of these.
Well, we have Gassman we started out
I
with.
know, yeah. And I think that's the last name, too. It's not that they eat too many beans. But okay, so this is on Go Forth, originally priced for $1,200,000. And finally, after some time on the market, not a long time, but 22 days, sold for $875,000, 3 bedrooms,
Huge.
2 baths.
Something wrong there.
Yeah, 22 days on the market, built in 2007 with 1,984 square feet with a territorial view. You want to bring it home, honey?
Okay, well, just a comment on Go Forth. The agent didn't nail it.
Oh, he's way off in the price.
1.2 million to 875.
Sometimes it's the homeowner who generally
Yeah, true.
factors in emotional value that nobody else cares about.
And the final one is on Carriage Drive. Now we're moving into the nice spot. This is on top of Bell Hill. We sold a house on Carriage too, also. And originally priced at $1,299,950. It ended up selling. The sold price was $1,250.
Did you look at the pictures on this?
No.
It's not the one we sold.
No.
Okay. Okay.
3 bedroom. You gonna let me talk?
Yeah, go ahead.
3 bedroom. This is how we live.
Sorry.
3 bedroom, 3 bath, 60 days on the market, built in 2020 with 2,230 square feet on 5 acres, and the views are awesome up there.
Yeah.
Saltwater, mountain, everything. Okay.
Okay.
Opening. So what is that called? Logan's opening is our other vacation rental, number 2, Porthole, through the Porthole. And you'll see why that's named that. And it's just a small, really nice hotel room.
Yeah, there's really limited cooking availability. You can heat water for a top ramen, but pretty much a suite. It is, I think, nicer than any suite you can rent at a motel here for like at least $150 less a night in the peak season, because they're charging well over $400 for a suite, Red Lion and some of the other hotels.
So moving on to the other house, the third house in the vacation rental is Oak Alley, and we're getting cabinets today.
Yeah.
They're going to arrive, and we want to extend for all the locals that watch. Give us an email, and we'll send you our address. So in March, we're looking at like the 16th, that we're going to have an open house, so you can come see.
And
Say what?
You're gonna serve snacks?
Yeah, we're gonna have some
Yeah, we'll have a very nice charcuterie
wine.
and a charcuterie board, whatever that is.
No, I don't know if I want one.
Okay. Actually, we might get the snacks at Costco, but
Cheese and crackers.
yeah, it'll be fun. We'll have wine and tea and coffee and.
I'm gonna do something with puff pastry.
Yeah, Amy is an incredible cook. That's my problem. She makes everything way better than anything you can buy. So I kind of have a bad attitude toward inferior products.
Anyway, moving right along. You guys have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next week at same time, same station.
Yeah, have a great week. And if you are a regular viewer of our channel on YouTube, please click the like and the subscriber. We're up to 465, I think, 66.
466.
So when we're shooting for 500. That's the next big giveaway, and Logan's has a special gift of Logan Leather. He has a little leather company, and they're all handmade, and they're just we want him to brand them. Get some kind of brand, because they will definitely be something you want to pass on to your grandkids, your cousins.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, so
whatever.
We'll let you know. And how we do that, we pick a number, the three of us.
We don't have to go into this.
Yeah,
now.
then you guess the number. Okay, pretty easy. Have a great week. See you next week.
Bye.